Yeah, so grew up in New Jersey, born and raised. Went to college at Fordham in the Bronx and went to their business school, studied management, and then later on tacked on a psychology minor. I kind of realized that those two go hand in hand. Also, I wasn't necessarily crazy about most of my business courses like accounting, finance. I knew they'd be helpful in some way, but I didn't really have an idea of what I wanted to do after college. So I kind of arbitrarily chose the business route. But it led me here, so it's all good.
Cool. And tell me how you moved from college, and then what did you do in the successive years?
Yeah, so I met my boyfriend in college. That was awesome. So afterwards, we moved to San Diego together. I was with a company, Warby Parker. So I joined Warby when I was a sophomore at Fordham. Visited their headquarters one day. It was like a very small operation, lots of quirky, passionate people in that office. I knew I wanted to be there and like just learn from that team. So I actually grew with them. They were like 100 people at the time, and I grew with them till they were like over 1,000. So basically, I started opening new stores, and they were opening a store in San Diego. I said, I'll go, sign me up. So did that and just managed operations and sales for a brand new store, which was an awesome experience to have right out of college. And then an opportunity opened in San Francisco. The timing was right for my boyfriend. The stars kind of aligned. So we moved up here. And yeah, just fell in love with this city. But after like 6 months of my new role, I just started to really get tired of retail, working on the weekends, working a lot with people, but not really doing anything that used my brain power too much. It was leveraging a lot of my emotional intelligence, but I really wanted to keep learning in a more tangible way. So started looking for my options.